Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
सबको नमस्ते और this day is an happiest day for the Indians, especially when they receive the independence on this August 15th, on the auspicious occasion in the year of 1947. And to commemorate this celebration as a grand one, and we have an eminent person among us as the chief guest, Reverend Dr. Bridit Chandra Bara, doctor for the police. So we asked him to come out to the dais along with our correspondent and Father Amrit Raj. So we will just give a nice clap and then welcome our sir, the chief guest, to the dais. A well-known person among us only with from our own one of our villages, Tutpara, having received many great awards and then with a lot of experience that he is with us here. And then we are very happy that he is the chief guest of the day and who will be hoisting the flag. So with these few words of introduction, we go with a prayer and then the flag hoisting ceremony.
Ladies, attention. Take position for prayer. Join your hand, close your eyes, prayer song begins. Always, I will sing of the glory of the Lord. Always, I will sing of the glory of the Lord. Always, praise Him, greater is my deeds. Love Him, He is ever merciful. Praise Him, greater is my deeds. Sing of the glory of the Lord. Always, always, I will sing of the glory of the Lord. Always, thank Him, wonders He has done. Love Him, for His service to the end. Thank Him, wonders He has done. Sing of the glory of the Lord. Always, always, I will sing of the glory of the Lord. Always. Studies, attention. Vande Mataram song begins. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Sujalam Sufalam Malaya Sitalam Satya Samaram Mataram Vande Mataram Shubha Josna Pulakita Yamini Pulla Kusamita Rumadala Shobhini Attention.
India is my country.
All Indians are
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
Proud of it.
Rich and
Very heritage.
I shall always try.
I shall always try
To be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall give respect.
I shall give respect
To
to my parents, teachers, and all elders. And treat everyone with respect.
To my country.
And my people. And place my devotion in the well-being and prosperity along life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Studies, attention. Studies, attention. I request you to come and hold the flag.
salute. Order. National anthem begins. भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। महात्मा गांधी की जय। सुभाष चंद्र बोस की जय। डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर की जय। ग्रुप अबाउट टर्न। Get ready for march past. March past. On the spot. March, march. Left, right, left. 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 Left, Attention! School standards.
Morning, everybody. Reverend Father Joseph Kambi, Principal. Reverend Father Amritraj, Parish Priest. Father Anthony, respected brothers, respected sisters, teachers, parents, and students. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, on the 15th August 2020-21, India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day. And we are proud to say that we earned our independence by following the path of truth and non-violence. And we are the first to get our independence by following the path of truth and non-violence. And it is itself is a mark of great respect for our country. In this day of independence, let us remember how India had set an example to entire world by means of assertive freedom struggle. We may not be wealthy, we may not be wealthy power, but the world yet recognized us as a good human beings, as a great country. India is remembered for unity in diversity. Everything in the world can be changed, but not the principles and human values. India is known to be a great country that follows these principles. Let us thank for our forefathers, our leaders who taught us these principles, who fought for our freedom assertively and set us and gave us and set us as good example. And discipline to become a good human being and ultimately good citizen of our country, and to serve wherever we are and whatever we are. We have to serve our...
Take the position, keeping your hands on your chest, and then we will recite this preamble of the Constitution of India.
The Constitution of India. The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and secure to all its citizens, justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status, and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and
and
the unity
the unity
and integrity of the nation.
integrity of the nation.
Order.
Attention.
With this, we finish the flag hoisting ceremony for now. So thank you for now.
मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज़ हम, जानसाज़ हम, इश्क़बाज़ दिलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
केसरी रंग का मतलब समझते हो? बहादुरी का रंग है, शहीदी का।
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था।
मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस मुंह से निकल के खून कहे।
आज मेरी पगड़ी भी केसरी, जो बहेगा मेरा लहू भी केसरी और मेरा जवाब भी केसरी।
वंदे मातरम, मातरम, मातरम।
वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्। शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी, पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी, सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी, सुखदां वरदां मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्।